Open Google Maps right now and search for your business type. Are you in the top 3? If not, you are losing customers every day to competitors who might offer worse service. This stops today. I show you the exact 5-step checklist that got my clients to number 1 on Google Maps without backlinks or expensive ads. One bakery zoo just steps 3 to Outrank Starbucks in their neighborhood. Here is how it works. Do you know that 76% of people who search for a local business on their phone visit that business within 24 hours? This is huge, but most businesses mess up their easiest part of getting found online. Let me tell you something important. Your Google business profile is the number 1 factor for local ranking, not your website, not your backlink. It's your GBP. But most business owners just fill out the basic info like name, address, and phone number. They wonder why they are stuck in page 2 of Google. Your competitors are leaving the door wide open for you to zoom past them, and improving your GBP is surprisingly simple. Think of GBP as your digital storefront window. Just like an empty display won't attract customers, an incomplete profile won't attract Google attention. I checked hundreds of local business profiles last month. Google ranked businesses with complete profiles 2.7 times higher than incomplete ones. That's like getting a free boost just for filling out all the sections Google gives you. Here is what you need to focus on. 1. Complete every section of your profile. 2. Add detailed service descriptions with location keywords. 3. Include unique offers for each service. The biggest missed opportunities, the services section. About 90% of businesses either leave it empty or put minimal info there. This is where Google pulls most of its ranking signals from. Google needs to know exactly what to do, and this is where you tell them. I had this plumber client in Denver. It was stuck on page 2 for months. We added 15 detailed service descriptions with location keywords to his profile. Each one mentioned specific neighborhoods he served. It jumped from page 2 to the top 3 in just 11 days. His phone started ringing constantly, and he had to hire 2 technicians to handle the increased business. The secret is being super specific. Don't list plumbing as a service. Break it down. Add emergency pipe repair in Ireland, water heater installation in Sherry Creek, bedroom remodeling in 5 points. Each service needs detailed descriptions with the exact keywords people search for. But there's an even more powerful hack inside your GBP. That is almost nobody uses. Add a unique offer or guarantee to each service description. For emergency plumbing, add 30 minutes response time guarantee, or it's free. For water heater installation, add free 5-year maintenance with every installation. When I tested this with a dentist client, a teeth whitening service had the guarantee noticeably whiter in 1 visit or your money back. Keep 2 rates up to 85% in the first month. Why does this work? When someone searches for a specific service, Google often shows that service from your profile. If it has a special offer, it stands out from every other result. 10-20 minutes right now to update your GBP is the fastest way to jump ahead of your competition. Now, let's look at how to find those perfect keywords that your competitors are missing completely. Want to know why some businesses rank for dozens of searches while others can't even rank for their own name? It comes down to one simple difference in their keyword strategy. Let me show you what I mean. Most businesses make this mistake. They target obvious keywords like Dentist Chicago with 8,500 searches per month. That is where everyone is fighting. But what if your competitors have been overlooking hidden gems all along? Keywords like emergency tooth repair near me with 850 searches will make untapped treasures in a competitive marketplace. Here is the truth. Those high competition keywords are nearly impossible to rank for without years of SEO work and thousands of dollars. The low competition keywords allow you to start ranking this week and get actual customers calling you. I tested this with 50 local businesses last year. The ones focusing on big, obvious keywords got almost no results for 6 months. Meanwhile, businesses targeting specific low competition keywords started getting calls within days. It's about fishing where others aren't. My research revealed something fascinating. Those people also ask questions on Google have 3 to 4 times lower competition than the main keywords everyone targets. The people who click these questions are more likely to buy from you because they are seeking specific answers, indicating they are closer to making a decision. Let me show you a free tool that finds these keywords automatically. Answer the public.com lets you type in your main service plus your city. In 5 minutes, you'll build a keyword list that will cost you $500 from an SEO agency. I work with an Italian restaurant owner in Portland struggling to run for Italian restaurant Portland. Yes, too competitive. We discovered gluten-free Italian food Portland at just 90 searches monthly and minimal competition. After adding a section on our Google business profile about gluten-free options, creating a website page and mentioning it in the service descriptions, that single keyword brought in 22 new customers in the first month. People who couldn't find gluten-free options elsewhere. The key is finding keywords with high buyer intent, people ready to purchase. Someone searching fish leaky faucet DIY probably won't hire you, but someone searching emergency plumber Sunday definitely will. You need to connect these keywords directly to your Google Maps listing through keywords alignment by placing them in 3 places: your GBP, websites, and reviews. When Google sees the same keywords in all 3 places, it pushes you to the top for that term. Businesses jump from nowhere to number 1 in just a few weeks using this method, but there's a critical on-page element that ties everything together. Most people miss this completely. It's a secret weapon that makes everything else work better. We covered that next. Did you know Google has an hidden algorithm specifically for local businesses? There's one factor that matters more than backlinks, content, and even your website combined. Most people completely miss it. When most businesses obsess over backlinks and website design, Google has publicly stated that reviews are one of the top ranking factors for maps listings. The secret lies in what's inside those reviews, specific content that 95% of businesses overlook. It searches for keywords that match what people are searching for. Most businesses collect generic reviews like great service or friendly staff. These positive comments don't help you rank for specific search terms. My analysis of 1,500 Google business profiles across different industries reveals compelling evidence. Businesses with keywords in their reviews rank an average of 5.3 positions higher than those without. This marks the difference between page 1 visibility and digital obscurity. Google views keywords mentions in reviews as particularly trustworthy because they represent customer-generated content rather than self-promotion. When 5 customers specifically mention your emergency plumbing service in phonies, Google interprets this as verification that you genuinely provide that service. I witnessed this power firsthand with a florist client struggling to rank for a wedding-related searches. After obtaining just 7 reviews mentioning wedding flowers and their city name, they climbed to number 3 in rankings within 17 days, without any website changes or complex SEO tactics. The key questions becomes, how do you ethically encourage customers to include these keywords without appearing manipulative? The answer lies in specific questions rather than generic review requests. Instead of "please leave us a review," ask, how did our specific service help you in city name? This naturally guides customers to include valuable keywords organically. For example, after a roof repair, message your customer, "Thanks for choosing us for your roof repair in Buda. We'd love to know how our emergency roof repair service help you protect your home." Their response will naturally incorporate those crucial keywords. A landscaper in Atlanta implemented this approach by asking, "How did our backyard landscaping service transform your Atlanta home?" Nearly every resulting review included both backyard landscaping and Atlanta, exactly the terms they needed. Timing matters too. Request reviews immediately after service completion where customer satisfaction peaks. Include a direct review link and your specific questions. Create service-specific templates, streamline those processes. Create service-specific templates, streamline this process. Remember, never offer incentive for reviews as Google will penalize you. The right questions alone generate keyword-rich reviews naturally. Now, let's integrate everything into a complete system that will elevate you above competitors. This is where all these elements work together to create unstoppable momentum for your local rankings. There you have it, the exact 5-step checklist my class used to dominate Google Maps. Optimize your GPP with service art, target low competition keywords, get keyword-rich reviews, Maintain NAP consistency while creating location-specific pages. This system transforms any local business, whether you are a plumber, dentist, or restaurant owner. Want the full checklist that will skyrocket your local rankings? Comment SEO checklist below, and I send you the downloadable version with all 20 game-changing items. Plus, I tease what's coming in my next strategy video.